Buying a house or land doesn't just happen overnight, but it also doesn't have to take a lifetime to do. Hi, I'm Dwayne, and this is Fresh Keys. When it comes to mortgages, you generally hear about a 90-day sale or a 120-day sale. But what does that mean? And of course, why so long? Well, buying a house is more than a transaction between you and the seller. It goes even beyond you, the seller, and the mortgage institution. It involves other agencies and processes that secure the investment you are making. The clock actually starts ticking once you have signed the sale agreement and involves the mortgage process, which is getting your loan approved at your bank or mortgage institution, the property appraisal and inspection done by your valuer and your surveyor. There is a title search to ensure that the owner has the legal permission to sell the property. And there's also transfer and registration, which is moving ownership from the seller to the purchaser and having this reflected on the property title. All this takes time and must be done properly. If not, it could be very costly. So it is always recommended that you get good legal advice when buying property. It is much like doing chores. Some aspects you get done quickly, others not so much. If you miss a spot, you have to do it over. Some things you need help with, and others are outside your control. All in all, if you are prepared, it feels less of a burden. Plus, the satisfaction that comes when it's all done makes it well worth it. Have a mortgage-related question? Well, reach out to us on our socials or call us at 888-CALL-NHD.